I hope you enjoyed the last video. So today I am back with my next video. Today also I will share a great resource. So let's dive in the video.
So we are on the screen, and as you can see, this is a GitHub repo named Git flight rules. So moving down, flight rules for Git. So like you can just have a read whatever written. These are the contents. So moving down. So basically, this is a GitHub repository. Like if you just facing any kind of issue with Git, you can solve from here only. And like whatever problem you are facing, you can just visit here and solve that accordingly. So like if you just want to start a local repository, this is the command you have to run on your local machine. Then if you want to clone to remote repository, set a wrong repository, remote repository, then like what you have to do. These are the step-by-step guides. Then I want to add code to someone's repository. Again, step-by-step guides are there, so you can just follow serially and you can solve your issue. So you can just have a read whatever written step by step. Then editing commits. What did I just commit? If you want to like have a watch what you are just commit, you can just run this command or this command. Then I wrote the wrong thing in a commit message. Then what to do? Again, step by step guides is there. I committed with the wrong name. I want to remove a file previous commit from the previous commit. I want to delete or remove my last commit. So whatever issue, like if you just want to delete or remove my last commit, then you can just follow this tutorial like guide step by step, and you can just solve your issue. Delete or remove arbitrary commit. Okay. Then I tried to push my amended commit to a remote, but I got a error message. Then what to do? So these are the steps. Accidentally did a hard reset. Accidentally committed or pushed a merge. Accidentally committed pushed files containing sensitive data. Okay, so you can just follow this guide. So moving down, I want to remove a large file from ever existing in repository building techniques. So there are different techniques also included. You can just follow these guides. I need to change the content of a commit which is not my last. So you can just follow this thing. Then there is for staging also. I want to stage all tracked files. Then for run this command, I have to stage part of tracked files. Run this command. So there are various like topics. You can just have a look. I want to add stage changes. I want to stage part of a new file. So moving down for unstaged edits also there are like various problems you can solve your own problem for here, and like you can just follow these guides and your problem will be solved. I want to discard specific unstaged changes. I want to discard specific unstaged files. So accordingly, like there are different topics. For branches also, I want to list all branches, create a branch, pull in from or into wrong branch, whatever you have to do. You will just have to follow this tutorial like guide step by step, and like you can solve your issue. Moving down, like do keep in mind that you have to follow step by step. Okay, just whatever written read and follow step by step, and your issue will be solved. Moving down, so this GitHub repository consists of all these stuffs only. Like if you're just facing any kind of issue while in Git, then you can just visit this GitHub repository, and accordingly you can solve your issue. I want to delete a branch. I want to rename a branch. So many topics are there. and rebasing and merging. I want to undo or erase merge. Then you have to follow this like guide. Like you have to run this command on your local machine. Then I need to combine commits. So whatever guide or step by step written you have to do. Then like run these commands accordingly step by step, and you can solve your GitHub issue. I mean Git issue. Then moving down, so like all these stuff are covered here. I need to update the parent commit of my branch, check if all commits of a branch are merged. So step by step guides are there. For stash also there is commands accordingly for different problems and finding some modules. So there are topics, missing objects. So there are topics that are not included like before. So here they have included like copy a folder or file from one branch. So you have to run this command restore a deleted file, deleted tag, restore a deleted tag, deleted patch, and like you can just follow whatever issue you are facing, and you can just follow this guide step by step. Tracking files. Okay, debugging with Git, and like so there is something in configuration also. I want to add aliases from some Git commands, so you can just follow. I want to cache a username and password for a repository, so follow this step by step tutorial. And yeah, I have no idea what I did wrong, so just you can have read what is happening with you, like what problem you're facing, and like you can follow this like guide whatever written, and like you can solve your issue, right? Git shortcuts, Git bash, PowerShell on Windows. So these are some Git shortcuts you can follow. Other resources. So like they have also included some other resources rather than just the problems. So if you just want to learn about Git more, so you can just follow these resources. So there are books, Learn Enough Git to be Dangerous by Michael Hartle, Pro Git by Scott Chacon, my bad if I'm wrong, and Ben Stops, Git Internals by Scott Chacon's NASA Handbook. So you can just follow these books if you want to learn more Git. Then there are also tutorials accordingly, 19 Git tips for everyday use, learn Git branching and all the stuff. Scripts and tools, GUI clients are there, so you can just follow this GitHub repository.
I hope you liked the video. If you do, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.